To make a Gmail account in Samsung A14, start in the settings, then scroll all the way down until you see where it says Accounts and Backup. In this one, select the Manage Accounts option. Then choose Add Account. We will then choose the Google option. Tap on this one, and it should bring you to the Google page after we verify our identity. It will now ask you to sign in. As we are creating an account, just tap Create Account. Then choose for personal use. While it says we're creating Google account is used to use Gmail and all other Google services. So follow the on-screen instructions and create your Google account and use that with Gmail.